bombshell in the trial for Jennifer Crumbley, now the mother of that Michigan shooter, Ethan Crumbley.
Jennifer Crumbley is now on trial for supplying the gun her son used in the shooting at Oxford High School in 2021. She faces 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter, being held responsible for the deaths of the people her son shot. ABC's Trevor Ault following the late-breaking details. Trevor, tell us about these developments in the courtroom today.
Well, Terry, what we learned this morning is that the prosecution had said they were considering wrapping up and resting their portion in terms of calling witnesses. But just this afternoon now, things have taken a turn, I suppose you could say, for the salacious. And now it could be extended a little bit further. So basically what happened is they had called what we had thought at the time was a friend of Jennifer Crumbley, Brian Maloche. And he was testifying about how in the wake of the shooting and the days afterwards, he was messaging on Facebook with Jennifer Crumbley as she was talking about the fact that she was moving around with her husband, at one point even saying, quote, "We are on the run again." And if you'll recall, after they were charged, both of the Crumbleys, they missed their arraignment and they were found in a warehouse in the middle of the night. Well, her defense attorney then, under cross-examination, kind of implied that police were putting a lot of pressure on this friend to testify and maybe even change his story, which opened the door to the prosecution then probing further into their personal lives. And it was just revealed that this witness, Brian Maloche, and Jennifer Crumbley were having an extramarital affair. Now, you may be asking, what is the relevance to this school shooting, which is what her defense attorney asked as well. The prosecution says that that could just be another thing contributing to partially a broken household, which might lead their son to have poor mental health and eventually commit this mass shooting. What it means, though, is that the prosecution now may be calling even more witnesses about the personal life of Jennifer Crumbley, about her relationship with Brian Maloche, and about those days after the shooting, after they'd learned what their son had done and their decision for at least a time to maybe go on the run.
Wow. I mean, she's not on trial for having an extramarital affair. She's on trial only on the theory that supplying the gun makes her responsible for what her son did with it. Hard to see that the fact she's a bad wife or something in somebody's view is relevant.
But the judge even said specifically, Terry, she's not on trial for being immoral. And that's what this been, her defense has said. It's not illegal to be a bad parent.
Yeah, it's not. That's the whole issue in the trial, Trevor. It's a really interesting case.
The twists and the turns. Never a dull moment, that's for sure. All right, Trevor, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.